Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today, date is 14th August 2021, and I am teaching you chapter number 5. Name of the chapter: Force, Work, and Energy. Force, work, and energy. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video I explained you different forms of energy, that is electrical energy, heat energy, wind energy, solar energy, hydro energy, and thermal energy. So now after that I discuss the keywords of this chapter. So student, in the previous video the complete explanation of the chapter has been done. So in today's video we will start with the book exercises of the chapter. So all of you open page number 42, and book exercises you will complete in the book only. Question answers and diagram you will complete in classwork copy. So take out your book, open page number 42, write date 14th August 2021, and let's start with the question number A. Pick the correct answer. Question number A. Pick the correct answer. So question number 1, which of these cannot be done? Which of these cannot be done by using muscular force? By using muscular force. So options are: first, change the direction of the object. Option number 2, stop the object. Question number C, option C, change the size of the object. Change the size of the object. And option number D, can attract the object. Can attract the object. So question is, which of these cannot be done by using muscular force? Okay, so options are: change the direction of the object, stop the object, change the size of the object, can attract the object. See, force. What is force? When we apply force on an object, so Force is pull or push. What is the action in force? In force, whether we pull the object or whether we push the object. So first option, change the direction of the object. Yes, by applying the force we can change the direction of the object. Okay, stop the object. For example, I give you the when I explain you force, at that time I give you the example that a goalkeeper push the ball to stop the. Okay, so what do the goalkeeper do to stop the ball? The goalkeeper push the ball to stop the goal. Okay, so change the size of the object. Yes, this is also possible. This is also possible. By applying force you can change the size of the object also. Okay, and the last option, can attract the object. So this cannot be done by a muscular force. Okay, in when I am explaining you about different types of forces, at that time I tell you magnetic force. The force applied by the magnet on an iron object is called a magnetic force, and due to magnetic force the iron is attracted by the magnet. Okay, so which cannot be done by using muscular force, that is can attract the object. So option number D is the right answer. Then question number 2. Question number 2. The direction of frictional force. The direction of frictional. The direction of frictional force is always dash. Okay, so option number A, the direction of frictional force is always first option is normal to the direction, normal to the direction of motion of an object. Okay, second option is in the direction of the object, in the direction of an object. Third is the opposite. Third is the opposite. Third is the opposite to the direction, opposite to the direction of motion of an object. Fourth option, at an angle 90 degree to the direction of motion of an motion of an object. So student, see, the direction of a frictional force is always, first is given normal to the direction of motion of an object, second in the direction of an object, third opposite to the direction of motion of an object, third fourth one is at angle 90 degree to the direction of motion of an object. So student, when I explained you about the frictional force, so at that time I explained you that what is a frictional force. Frictional force is a force which oppose the motion of an object. Okay, what is a frictional force? Frictional force is a force which oppose the motion of an object. For example, if you hit the ball, football, if for example if you hit the football with your leg, then after some time you observe that after covering some distance the ball stopped. So how this is possible? This is possible. What is the reason? Reason is that student, when we apply a force and there is a movement of an object, जब भी बेटा हम फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं और किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की मूवमेंट होती है, तो एट द सेम टाइम जो मूवमेंट हो रही है, मोशन के अपोज एक फोर्स वर्क करने लगती है जो उसे रोकने का काम करती है, जिसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स बोलते हैं. ठीक है, बॉल चलती चली जा रही है, क्यों? क्योंकि उस समय आपने जो फोर्स लगाई है, जो आपकी मस्कुलर फोर्स है वो हाई है, और जो अपोज में जो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स लग रही है वो क्या है? लेस है उससे. लेकिन वंस अपॉन ए टाइम विल कम व्हेन द बॉल रेस्ट. ठीक, तो हाउ दिस इज पॉसिबल? अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि मस्कुलर फोर्स लेस हो गई और फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स क्या? वो ज़्यादा हो गई, इसलिए बॉल क्या हो गई? स्टॉप हो गई. तो जब भी बेटा हम फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट पे, उसकी मूवमेंट जब होने लगती है तो उस मोशन के अपोज में एक अपने आप ही फोर्स लग जाती है, जिसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स, जो मोशन के अपोज लगती है. ठीक है, सो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स इज अ फोर्स दैट अपोज द मोशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, सो this third one is the right answer, opposite to the direction of motion of an object. So point number C, this is the right answer, opposite to the direction of motion of an object. This is the right answer. Is it clear? Now next question is question number C, third, smoother surfaces will have smoother surfaces will have dash. Okay, so options are more friction, option number B less friction, option number C same level of friction, and option D no friction. Okay, so when I explained you about the frictional force, student, that time I explained you in which type of a surface the friction is more or less. Okay, so now in this question it is asked that the surface is, which type of surface is here? Surface is very smooth. So options are given. In smooth surface we have more friction, less friction, same level of friction, or no friction. So right answer is, in smooth surface the friction is less. Is it clear? When the friction is more in the rough surface, the friction is more, but in the smooth surface there is a less friction. So less friction is the right answer. Smooth surface have less friction. Smooth surface have less friction. So option number 2 is the right answer. Next question, a moving car. Okay, this is question number 4. A moving car, a moving car, a moving car uses energy from first is the petrol, second option is sun, option C is air, and option D is water. So student, for example, we are living things, so we also need energy to perform various activities in our day-to-day life. So for these activities, from where we are getting the energy? We are getting the energy by eating the food. So in the same manner, there are many non-living things or man-made machines, they also run. So how they run? They are using the energy. How they are getting the energy? So it is asked in this question, a moving car uses energy from, as we know that car is a vehicle which can move. So how the car is getting the energy? So car is getting the energy of sun? No. Air? No. Water? No. So a moving car uses energy from petrol. Okay, moving car is using energy from petrol. So a moving car uses energy from petrol. Now next is, in which of the following, fifth question, in which of the following is work not done? Okay, so first one is running. Okay, second is walking. C is sleeping, and D is swimming. ठीक है. So what is the work when we apply a force? Okay student, when we apply a force, whether this is a pull or push, so when we apply a force, whether it is a pull or push, there is a movement of an object, then we say that work is done. And if you apply the force and there is no movement of the object, it is in the rest position, जब ऑब्जेक्ट की कोई मूवमेंट नहीं होती है तो what we say कि वर्क इज डन, सो एट दैट टाइम नो वर्क इज डन। ठीक है, जब मूवमेंट नहीं हो रही है, आप फोर्स लगा भी रहे हो लेकिन कोई ऑब्जेक्ट की मूवमेंट नहीं हो पा रही है, वो बहुत हैवी ऑब्जेक्ट है, तो इसका मतलब क्या वर्क यहाँ पे कुछ हुआ? तो आंसर हुआ नो वर्क इज डन। सो इन ऑल दीज एक्शंस इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज वर्क नॉट डन? रनिंग में आप रन कर रहे हो, फोर्स लग रही है, वॉक कर रहे हो, स्लीपिंग है, स्विमिंग है। सो स्लीप कर रहे हो, यहाँ बॉडी आपकी रेस्ट पोजीशन में है, तो इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज वर्क नॉट डन? दैट आंसर इज स्लीपिंग। ठीक है, सो राइट आंसर इज स्लीपिंग। Now we have completed question number A. Now we will start with question number B. Question number B is fill in the blanks. Question number B, fill in the blanks. First question is pull or push. Pull or push is called dash. So student, pull or push is called it what? Pull or push, these are the action which is performed when we apply a force. Is it clear? Pull or push is the action when we applied force on any object. So pull or push is called it force. Pull or push is called it force. Okay, now see question number 2. Friction can be reduced. Friction can be reduced. Friction can be reduced by dash. Okay, so as you know that beta, friction is the force which oppose the motion of an object. फ्रिक्शन क्या है? वो फोर्स है जो अपोज करती है, अपोज द मोशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. सो आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू दैट इन रफ सरफेस there is more friction and in smooth surface the friction is less. Is it clear? In rough surface the friction is more and in the smooth surface the friction is less. So it is asked in the question, friction can be it is asked in the question, friction can be reduced. So it is asked in the question how you can reduce the friction. फ्रिक्शन को आप रिड्यूस कैसे कर सकते हो? सो बाई मेकिंग द सरफेस स्मूथ. by making the surface smooth. Okay, फ्रिक्शन कैन बी रिड्यूस बाय मेकिंग द सरफेस स्मूथ. और भी मेथड है बेटा फ्रिक्शन को रिड्यूस करने के. जैसे आप कैरम खेलते हो तो आप कैरम के बोर्ड पे जब पाउडर डाल देते हो तो वहाँ भी फ्रिक्शन बहुत लेस हो जाता है. ठीक है, बहुत सी मशीन्स हैं, मैडमेन मशीन्स, उनके प्रॉपर वर्किंग के लिए भी हम लोग फ्रिक्शन लेस कर सकते हैं. जैसे आप लोग साइकिल चलाते हो तो साइकिल की चेन में अगर आप ग्रीस लगाओगे तो वो फास्ट चलने लगेगी. ठीक है, जैसे आपकी मम्मी लोग क्लोथ सिलती हैं, स्टिचिंग मशीन होती है, तो अगर उसकी प्रॉपर वर्किंग है, उसका फ्रिक्शन लेस करना है तो ऑयल आप कर सकते हो। तो भाई ऑयल पाउडर मेथड और ग्रीस मेथड, दिस इज आल्सो द मेथड्स बाय विच वी कैन रिड्यूस द फ्रिक्शन। ये भी ऐसे मेथड है जिससे हम फ्रिक्शन को क्या कर सकते हैं, रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज द थर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। द एनर्जी obtained from water is the energy obtained from water, energy obtained from water is the energy we obtain the energy of a water and we produce what, electricity. So this energy is known as a hydro energy. Okay, and how we get this? By water is falling from very height or fast running water, so we can take the energy of a water to produce the electricity, and this is known as hydro energy. The energy obtained from water is known as hydro energy, is known as hydro energy. Fourth one, force is required to do, force is required to do. So when we apply a force is required to do, what happens with the help of a force? When we apply the force, and action of the force are whether we push or whether we pull. So when we apply a force on an object and there is a movement of an object, so what is done? Work. So force is required to do work. Okay, force is required to do work. Next is fifth question. There is no dash force in the space. ठीक है, तो बेटा एस्ट्रोनॉट्स जाते हैं स्पेस में तो वो फ्लोट करते रहते हैं। उसका रीज़न क्या है कि वहाँ क्या नहीं है, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स नहीं है। ठीक है, देयर इज नो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स। तो व्हेन एस्ट्रोनॉट्स जाते हैं स्पेस में स्टडी करने के लिए तो दे फ्लोट इन द एयर। रीज़न इज डैट वहाँ पे क्या नहीं है बेटा, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स नहीं है। ठीक है, देयर इज नो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स। There is no gravitational force in the space. That is the reason if anyone go in the space, that person will float in the air. Next question is true or false. Question number C, true or false. Question number 1, force is used to change the direction of an object. So student, You can, yes, this is the true statement, student, because by applying the force you can change the direction of an object. For example, bowler do the bowling and batsman hit the ball. So by applying the force it also change the direction of the ball. So question is, force is used to change the direction of an object. Yes, this is a true statement. Okay, thank you, student.